Leaders, hold her below the shoulder blade with a nice frame and give her some support.
Followers, we are connecting to his arms and putting our hands onto his shoulders.
Then give her some space to create a counterweight.
That distance between us allows me to create a movement. I'm going back, he's going back, and this counteraction gives us some balance.
Then here, we just turn one direction and to the other direction to practice a little bit.
The leader is going open and closing the feet, and the follower is acting like a compass. My foot is onto the floor, and my other one is doing a 360 on the floor. Let's see it one more time. So we have a counteraction, we bend our knee, we give some resistance, and we can create turns in both directions.